Good afternoon, Bowen Island. It's May 1st, and it's your Mayor Gary Ander here with a weekly update. I must say this is number 7 in the weekly updates, which is very interesting. We don't know how long this is going on, but we've been into this for 7 weeks now. I can hardly believe it's already May. We've adapted to the new normal among the COVID-19 pandemic, and for now, we have to stay strong and keep holding the line to make sure the spread of the virus stays contained. British Columbia has been touted as the envy of the country in terms of our response to this public health crisis. I would go even further in saying that Bowen Islanders have shown great strength, resilience, and care for one another in following the public health guidelines. The measures of keeping a safe physical distance, washing our hands, and staying home as much as possible are not only to protect ourselves, but they are to protect each other, our elders, and our more vulnerable community members. We're doing a great job, Bowen, and I know you'll keep it up as long as is necessary. This is one of the reasons we love being here. We take care of each other in this community, and I thank you for that. And that includes our local business community. They're working hard to adapt and find ways to keep serving us and actually surviving. Now more than ever, they need our support. We need to support our small businesses. Before going into town or buying things on Amazon, why not check around for local options? Our restaurants are offering takeout and delivery, and some are offering bulk buying of groceries. Many of our shops are offering alternative ways of shopping, whether it be online purchasing, virtual shopping trips, or gift cards. Or you can buy now and use later. And our grocery stores are offering online ordering for pickup and delivery orders. Farmers and backyard producers are growing and selling fresh local food and vegetables. So I want to remind you that our local businesses are local families. They're here for us before the pandemic, and we'd really like them to be here after. So let's do everything we can to support them and keep them in business. On another note, we learned earlier this week that the suspension of our local bus service is to happen as of tomorrow, May 2nd, and is expected to carry on until at least September. We are very disappointed to hear this news. We know the suspension of bus service will negatively impact some members of our community who rely on public transit to get to their essential jobs, to their medical appointments, and to get essential groceries and supplies. We know some don't have any other means of transport, and with no bus, they will not be able to carry out their lives independently. Just a note on that, I guess the ridership, according to TransLink, is down to between, depending on the day of the week, 10 to 20 riders a day. So there's been quite a decrease in the ridership, and they feel, TransLink feels it. It's not only us, it's all over the lower mainland here, the reduction in service, and they feel that they just cannot carry on the service as it is. And that's why our Emergency Operations Center team is actively looking into alternative arrangements for transportation for these people once the TransLink bus service is suspended. They're working creatively with Bowen Transportation Society and look at all the options that we have. It's not quite worked out yet, but I assure you that there's a lot of work being done on it, and we will update you as soon as we have some more information. We want nobody left behind. Next week, the province will be introducing its plans for its phased-in approach to get things going again. This will be a slow, careful, considered process, but we can't let our guard down yet. It will, who knows how long this will take to unfold, but at least it's going in the right direction. That light at the end of the tunnel might be getting a little bit brighter. I look forward to seeing what they have in store for us. Of course, we've seen what other provinces have been doing and that sort of thing, what they've been doing in the United States. I think our provincial government is going to have a very, very cautious approach to this going forward, which is tremendous. And I think we all just have to wait and see what they've got and be patient. I know it's so hard to be patient right now because of things are starting to wind up, and there seems to be an energy out there that, you know, we're through this thing, and you know, we can sort of start to relax. We cannot relax. We do not relax. We will be out of this when we can be out of it, and if we come out of it too fast, we're going to be bounced right back into it again. So I think we just have to be very careful, and again, follow the guidelines of the provincial health officer. I am confident that we will keep up this great work here on Bowen Island to protect each other, our local economy, and our community. Thank you very much. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll talk to you next week. Thank you very much.